and succeed at what I'm doing. Dog goes woof, cat goes.
Suspect is in custody. Back at headquarters. In pursuit of suspect, west on Hall Road.
The wedding, tree trunks and Mr. Pig. But you'll never guess who is trying to crash the wedding.
There were 2 shirts.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We asked ourselves, what would make Demolition Derby even more fun than getting hit by other drivers?
Answer, getting hit by the arena itself.
One of our special new modifiers just appeared, or, as I like to call them, mayhem makers. They change up the game and will appear throughout the event.
Might want to grab it before someone else does.
Don't feel bad if you get hit. I got walloped so much testing these things, I've still got bruises. Remember, those traps aren't just there to get you. If you're smart, you can push your opponents into them. Want me to show you how?
Chase Warren. He is the third one left to go, doing everything he can.
Woohoo! Nice run. That enough mayhem for you?
Because if not, there's always room for more.
Boy, I think for Ted Kelly and the Eyeball Lakers, he think he smoked his drive out. To go. How about the countdown? All right.